Mill was designed by renowned industrial architect W.B. Smith Whaley. Whaley designed many textile factories in South Carolina. Warren Mill was incorporated in 1896 as the Warrenville Manufacturing Company. Charles Warren Davis completed construction of the mill in 1898. Warren Lofts is a beautiful apartment community with many amenities. A very gracious thank you to the management for allowing us to film. The property truly honors the mill's legacy. The cotton mill was state-of-the-art at the time. They boasted 33,000 spindles, the largest in the state at the time. The 7.33-acre property was purchased by Graniteville Mill Company in 1919 and operated until 1982. It was known as the Warren Division in its later years. The mill was placed on the Register of Historic Places in 2016. The property was purchased in 2021 for $1.6 million. Renovations and new construction began on the 125-year-old mill in 2023. On Tuesday, March 25, 2025, Warren Lofts officially opened for business.